Hello, everyone. So our project is using deep neural network to detect bots. So bot is definitely a huge issue. I don't think there's a need for further explanation as to why we're motivated to do this. One example would just be the Russian hacking of the US elections in 2016. So let's just dive straight into what we've done so far. So right now we've done a somewhat decent lit review, and we have also found a really good paper that was published last year from a group of researchers at Indian Institute of Technology and USC, where they used a combination of metadata and contextual LSTM to produce really good results. So just a quick dive into what people are doing in this space in terms of detecting bots. There are mostly three ways. Right now, a lot of the emphasis is on the first two. One, using data analytics, that is using metadata, using a bunch of rules to detect bots, which have yielded really good results, but it is really vulnerable to adversary engineering. Another way people are trying to detect bots is using deep neural network, and that can be divided into two categories. One is detecting bots using account level information, that is using query and looking at the entire post history of an account and combined with analyzing metadata. But that is very expensive. And so our focus would be to focus on the tweet level or post level detection. And that is what the Indian researchers were able to come up with. And so our hope is to generally follow their methodology, which is using metadata and then using the NLP method to detect bots. But our main focus would be to trying to leverage our access to two data sets. We were able to get access to the original data set that Indian researchers were able to use on Twitter, and the other data set we were able to have is data set about Facebook. And we're hoping to find some cross-platform insights to help leverage this technology of bot detection. For example, on Twitter, you have a lot of amplifications and metadata that you could use, meaning people might have retweeted, people might have followed, and that is not a very easy thing to do on platforms like Yelp, where people don't follow each other. But that's the general idea of our project. Thank you.